it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my face here on YouTube, thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go, and also turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, before I get into that, I'm sure as you guys noticed from the intro of this video, I've changed my video upload days. It's now Wednesdays and Fridays. However, once a month on the 15th, you would be seeing a video like this one, like you're watching today, the monthly Cutcrease Collab with the beautiful Fab 10 ladies. All of their links is going to be below. If you can please go show your love and support, that would be absolutely wonderful. The ladies will love for you to subscribe to their channel and leave a comment. So only once a month on the 15th, you will definitely see a Cutcrease Collab video for me, because it's a beautiful group of Fab 10 ladies, and once a month we do this wonderful, beautiful collab. I will be finishing my face. My face is basically prepped, but I will be finishing my face off camera. The eyebrows are already done. Eyelids are prepped, and I am just going to be doing the cut crease on camera for you guys. So I am going to be using this Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is the Bling Boss. It's been out for a long time. So we are going to be using this one today. These are the colors right here. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. Love that. So we're just going to get started, and just find a brush, and we can just start this video. So I'm going to start with Hush Hush and use that as a base. I'm going to keep this look as simple as possible, because you guys already know, right, that I don't put a lot of things on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take a clean brush and use another color here. I'm going to go in with Mystic, which is like a deep purpley color. Love that. I love the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes. I think they are really good. So I'm just going to go in now and do this cut crease. I'm going to be using this Essence Camouflage Concealer. And you guys know I always get nervous when it comes to doing cut creases, guys. Seriously, I do. I'm just putting a little bit of this on my hand, and this is what this looks like. Okay. And we are just going to use this. I got this brush from where? Where did I get this brush from? I think it must have been from Amazon. And so we're just going to, I'm going to bring this mirror. I have another mirror on my desk. Listen, I'm going to see myself from all angles. Okay? Here we go. So I am going to use Glitz and Glam, and I'm going to put that on top. So I'm going back in with Mystic with a clean brush, and we're just going to blend this all in. Okay, so I'm finished with the palette now. I'm just going to go in with my black eyeliner. This is from Pure Cosmetics. I think it came in a beauty box way back when. So I'm going to go in now with this eyeliner from Revolution. I'm going to leave the name of this eyeliner in the description box. I think it's a deep purple shade or almost blue. I really like it. So again, the name is going to be down below for you guys. It's a very nice liner. I really like it. So I do have my lashes here prepped and I'm ready to go. Let me just get my eyelashes on and I'm going to finish my face off camera and we're going to come back to finish this look. So I've got my eyelashes on and these are my own brand of lashes which I'm going to be talking about in another video. And on my face I do have the Mercier foundation and this is a Nutmeg. So that's all I did off camera. So this is nicely blended. Everything else that I use on my face I'll leave below for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use the same concealer, the Camouflage waterproof concealer from Essence. And I might as well just do this on camera. So I just put a little bit of that under my eyes, because I really don't like going in with too many things. This brush is from Amazon. I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. I love this concealer. Do you see how easy this blended out? It is so nice. And the name of this is going to be left below for you guys. It's called Warm Toast. And I do like this brush, again from Amazon, and it blended out my concealer so nicely. I didn't go in with too much because I just want to warm up under my eyes just a little bit. And the powder that I'm going to use right now is my NYX powder. Can't stop, won't stop setting powder. So these are the only two powders that I have for setting. This is from Face Italia. I love this powder. And I picked up this one not too long ago. It's a really good setting powder. So of course I'm going to put a little bit of it on my table. And let me just try to reach for a beauty blender. And we are just going to set. So the cut crease doesn't look too bad. Now I'm gonna take my favorite powder from Morphe. Yeah, I know. Get some new things, Odette. Get some new things already. I will eventually, one of these days. But I mean, if I have things that works on my skin, why am I changing it? And I like this powder, and it's the Filter Effects number 10 powder from Morphe. Okay, let me go in with a blush from Sleek. Slim Thick is the name of this one. There we be. A little bit of this goes on the cheek. I mean, again, this brush is from Amazon. They came in a set of 2. Okay, they will be linked below for you guys. And a little bit of this on the cheeks. Ooh, like that. Very, very pretty. That looks alright. So I'm not going to be using any setting spray on my face because I've already went with the Shine Killer from NYX already. And again, everything else is going to be listed below. And we are going to work on the lips right now. Lip balm from Juvia's Place. Love this. It's a must-have for your makeup bag. This lipstick is called Gala, and this is from Liberty London. Like the shade of lipstick. Let me just put on a lip liner, and I'm going to be using my Morphe Clingy lip liner. Love that. Love that look. All done. Let's just pull the hair out. Pull the hair down. Okay, my lovelies. This is the finished look of the Cutcrease Collab with the beautiful Fab 10 ladies. What do you guys think? I hope I made you guys proud. I am not 100% perfect at doing cut creases, but I like the way this is looking today. As you guys can tell from the video, I did went in with very little on my face because I don't like to go in with too many things on my face, and the look didn't turn out to be too bad. I really like it, and I do hope again I made the beautiful Fab 10 ladies really proud, and I'm so happy to be doing this collab with you guys every single month on the 15th, okay? Again, all of the ladies' links will be left in the description box for you guys, and I really will invite you to please go to their channels, click the subscribe buttons, subscribe, leave a comment. Let's all try and support each other as much as we can. We all have one aim: to grow our channels. Everything that I use on my face will be listed in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on something. And on that note, this is the end of the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!